Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to speak about some new topic, paper frog. So I am getting bored with in Corona this lockdown time, and we are playing Free Fire, PUBG, most games. But I am getting bored, and I also want some new videos to be uploaded in the YouTube. So I had decided to make a paper frog. I don't think big elders will play, but small children like babies, they can play with these paper frogs. So let's begin. Let's start with. So I have taken a normal paper, no A4 size, a normal paper. You can take any paper. So first you have to fold like this. So first fold this paper like this. The edges of the side and the corners should be matched to each other. So this paper I will keep aside. Only one paper is used. So after this I am going to fold this paper like this. So like this in triangle shape. And here you can see this a line has formed straight line. So and I also going to make another triangle. See, you have to take this end to here this end. So first like this. Okay, then you can see the cross symbol of the lines. Now you have to turn this paper and you have to take, see here is a point between this so means cross lines. So you have to fold this paper with the same point of the cross lines. So like this, and you have to again twist the paper. Then see, you can fold like this easily. See this, and this done. On another side, the same measure will be happen and same process will be going to happen, but we have to not do this from here. We have to take this page here and fold it like a triangle, and you have to cut this page, cut this extra page. So I am going to fold this like this and going to cut it down. This is a easy technique I am used to make any things. So friends, now another thing is you have to fold this again in a triangle shape, and again you have to turn around and you have to take this corners equal. You have to join these corners equal, same, and you have to fold this. Okay, then you have to, this is the main process. You have to take this two ends, you have to keep this here, see, like this, and another one also same like first one. Okay, and this side also the same process. Okay, done. And this one also. Now you have to fold this like here, yes, like this fold, see, like this. Like this. This paper frog is easy to make, and I am going to tell you many more paper things that are used to play kids or to have some time pass in lockdown in your home. So I had did this all four sides like this folds. So this will going to be the frog legs. Then you have to take this around behind, and you have to see this. You can take any side, so I am taking this. So you have to fold this here. Okay, then you have to take this and take this linear line to the center of this, to top of this triangle, like this. And the another side, means the opposite side of this line and triangle, should be same as the first one. So this is also same. So I am also going to tell you how this frog going to jump. So see friends, I have did this process. You should also do like this. Don't miss any step to do this. Now you have to fold this. See, you can see this here is a line between this frog's stomach. You can say stomach. So I am going to fold like this. Okay, then you have to do this fold. You have to take this here. Take this here. Okay. So give a hard pressure to this frog. See, I have folded first like this, and I have taken this line to this line, same and equal. Okay, then this frog is ready to jump. Now I am going to tell a technique how to make a frog jump, paper frog jump. So first, your this finger, you have to touch this frog here like this. So you can see this like this. See, the frog is jumping all right, and it is good to see that a paper frog is also going to jump. See, you can see this, the frog is jumping. And when you going to make with this same process and small frogs, you will get a high jump, like this much small frog will jump till the height this. So you can try with keeping some materials or some boxes that you have in your home, and you can keep your frog opposite to them, and you can jump. See, and once again I am going to tell, you have to take this finger and no. So see this, you have to give a pressure, so only small pressure friends, like this. Once time I have also not got any idea to make this frog, but I have learned this how to make. So this, so you can see the frog is jumping to maximum height. When you make some small frogs, you will get a maximum height like here, and some this frog is smaller than many big frogs. When you make this much big frog, it will jump only here. See this frog. So you can see this, he had did many rounds like this. So friends, this is the video how to make a paper frog and how to make the paper frog jump. What is the technique of that? So this is the video. So thank you for watching friends. Please subscribe my channel and give a like button and press a bell icon that is aside opposite of subscribe button. So I will going to meet you on next video. So I am also going to keep many paper things that I have learned with my friends and in my school, in nursery age, in second classes. Many times I have made many things, so I am going to tell. So thank you for watching. Please don't miss to subscribe.